Hello friends, today I'm doing the MacBook Air unboxing. I've got it on Best Buy. And it came in this box. This is MacBook Air 13 and this year latest model, and I've got it, and this is also the lowest specs model, which is i3, and it's 256 gigabyte, and I've got it on Best Buy when it was tax-free weekend, and it was sale, and it was also on special financing. Yeah, so I have 1.5 year time to pay it off without any interests. So yeah, that's cool. So let's get started. It came in this nice box, which is very sturdy, and here it looks like this. So let's get it out. And here nothing else inside. Empty. So I guess we don't ship with a receipt anymore. At least they didn't for this order. It already have dust because it was laying one day or two waiting to be unboxed. So the box looks like this. Never had MacBook Air. That's why I have Macbook Pro 2013 and it's still kicking. So I didn't want to buy MacBook Pro because it's still expensive, and I saw this one is on sale, so I wanted it. And also what I wanted is because it's thinner, lighter, smaller, and also it's in gold color. Hope it's okay. It's kind of heavy when you hold it like that. It seems like 4 pounds. Okay, so let's open it. Here are the specs. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I open it. Okay, so I open it, I guess. Here. Time to open it. Here. And here. Now let's remove this thing, and then here is the box without. Hope it's not opened model because it has some lines here on top. So I guess I do like this. With one hand it's hard to open. I guess I lay it on my knees and lift it. Wow! This is the box. This thing looks like this. Nice gold color. Or rose gold. And now what? How to take it off? I guess this way. here is the laptop. Nice. This is the MacBook Air. Wow. Nice and thin. At least here is thicker. I show you first maybe this. Here is the box. It comes with this thingy. Designed by Apple in California. This thing over there has some something like it doesn't look new, this thing. Maybe this model was in someone's hands, I don't know. This looks packed, elegant. So this is the charger. Wow, charger is small. Yeah. USB-C power adapter, only 30 watts. And it extends. Cable looks like this. So it doesn't have any more these thingies that were in other ones. Okay, I put this away. This box. Now, here, let's see what it has. Looks like envelope inside. So inside it's some kind of MacBook Air. It says what it has here. And then it has another MacBook Air, some flyer. And then it has stickers which are gold. Gold stickers with Apple. Let's put it back. So here is the MacBook. I still can't believe I have it, as it was not planned purchase. So I open it like so. And here it says nothing important, just says something. So let's remove this thing. Wow, now I see real color. So here is the MacBook. It says designed by Apple California. It's for the it says rated something model A2179. Wow. Back looks like this. And here is the front. Here is MacBook Air front. A really nice color, gold. So I open it. Maybe I do some details on side, how it looks. Here is headphone jack. The bag looks funny, like always, in this gold color. And here it has those 2 inputs, 3 Thunderbolts. And okay, I guess I open it. It's hard. to open. Okay. Ta-da! Wow. It's starting. Already starting. Very nice. Language. It says to choose language. English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Return, which is enter. I pressed it. Now I want to know which is region. Which region? United States. Return. Why it doesn't?
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Press the Escape key to hear how to set up. Press Continue. Okay. Now I want to select the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I will set it up and be right back. So I managed to set it up. So it looks like this. And already showed here the update screen, so I hit updated. Battery is kind of full, so that's good. And that's my MacBook. Here it has some kind of already icons, and let's see what software is installed. So it has this software already on, which is App Store, Safari, Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Reminders, Notes, FaceTime, Messages, Maps, Find My Mac, Photo Booth, Photos, Music, Preview, Podcasts, TV, Apple TV, Voice Memos, GarageBand, iMovie. Oh, that's good. I like iMovie for editing. Numbers, keynotes, pages, news, stocks, books, dictionary, calculator, and home, Siri, mission control, system preferences, and other. In other, we have these things. So it's QuickTime player and other. Column meter, Bluetooth file exchange, terminal, stickers. I see. Even chess. Oh, that's cool. See? Chess. With who I could play.
Pawn d7 to d5. Pawn e7 to e6.
Funny. Okay, I close it. Do you want to keep new? No. Delete. It's downloading Mac OS Catalina, because currently this one, let's check what it says, Catalina 10.15.5. I see. Let's go to Safari. I guess Google. Nice. I go to Yahoo page. Yeah, Yahoo. Yeah, nice. This is how it looks. Okay. What else I can check? Maybe I also download Chrome, but I heard that it's bad for MacBook Air. Okay, I downloaded it. Let's go to my blog and see how it looks. Megan like at blogspot.com and enter. Let's see how it will show. Yeah, this is my blog. How to scroll it here? This way. Okay, my computer will restart because it's updating. And it's cool because in photos I have photos made from different. I did some photos on my phone and they are already here, so I can transfer them, I think. I guess I will restart it now. Okay, it's restarting. So yeah, this is how looks MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. It will take several minutes. Here, see, this is how it looks. Keyboard is very comfortable and it has big keys. Trackpad is really big. The only issue I see already, it's really warm here. Not really, but it's kind of warm. But it's installing that update, so I guess it has to be warm. So I'll be right back.